Ever heard the Snickers tagline? You're not you when you're hungry? Believe it or not, this is completely true. Do you get cranky often, or snap and later regret it? Do you have an attitude until you eat? You might be suffering from hangry. You might be saying, hang what? That's not a real word, but it is. The 2017 Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines hangry as an adjective that describes being irritable due to hunger. In other words, you get irritated or angry when you're hungry. The carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in the food you eat convert into glucose, which is a type of sugar. These nutrients enter our bloodstream and are distributed to our brain and organs. As time passes, our glucose levels start to diminish. If these levels decrease too much, then our brain perceives this as life-threatening. Our brain uses glucose as fuel. Even though it only accounts for 2% of our body's mass, it needs approximately 23% of our energy intake. If glucose levels are low, the brain will start getting grumpy. Additionally, our organs release stress hormones like cortisol when glucose levels are low. This alone changes our mood drastically. Genes also play a major role in hangry. Our genes release a chemical called neuropeptide Y and receptors like Y1. Both neuropeptide Y and Y1 regulate anger in the brain. An increased level of these in the brain contributes to sudden anger. Basically, hangry is a survival mechanism. In the past, our ancestors couldn't just chill and wait for food to pass by them. They had to do something in order to not die from hunger. Fortunately for us, there are foods to snack on when hungry. Nuts, fruits, tuna and crackers, chips and guacamole, Greek yogurt with granola or fruit, hummus and veggies, avocados, or even oatmeal can keep you calm until your next meal. The trick here is to eat foods that contain protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Protein is an organic compound that consists of long chains of amino acid. Protein helps maintain blood glucose levels and allows different brain regions to communicate effectively, which in turn improves your mood. Fiber is a plant-based nutrient that helps move food through the digestive tract. This is important because it allows our body to eliminate substances we don't need. Without enough fiber in our diet, we get clogged up, which affects our mood negatively. Antioxidants are compounds that delay cell damage, meaning they keep our body and mind healthy. It is important to avoid junk food because even though it calms your anger, it will generally produce an increase in blood glucose that will make you crash quickly. Eating when you're hungry isn't always possible due to our busy schedules, but you can try to keep healthy snacks near you to munch on. Remember, you're not you when you're hungry.